Hello, girls, guys, and artists. My name is Reverie, and I'm back with a new video after a long period of time, which has probably been 2 months. I started off with drawing like a blob of the values because I'm not so good at line art. And now I'm just trying to fix the lips because I had the hardest time with the lips. I also had a hard time with the nose. Yeah, just making the lips more realistic, adding the shadows and stuff. Right here, I'm making that eyebrow bushier, adding realism. I'm using a smudge tool, as you can tell, probably. And I'm just fixing her hair because I was actually very confused as to how I wanted it. At some point, I thought about giving her bangs. This whole time, I think I was using one layer. When it comes to drawing the flower, that's when I decided to add a second layer. Oh, the application that I'm using is called MyPaint, by the way. When I maybe I could find it on Google again, but basically I looked for white flower or something. And this is the final flower that I decided to draw because it's close to the flowers that I normally draw when I decide to draw a flower once a year. I struggle most with drawing roses. I'm actually astounded by those who draw roses from imagination. I learned a lot about drawing digitally. Right now, I'm adding the shiny reflection to our eyebrows. I barely thought of light source in this drawing, so if the lighting seems all over the place, that's probably why. And now I'm just trying to fix up the nails. I wanted to add more texture to the skin because I couldn't find the right brushes in MyPaint, so I moved to Krita. And I added some blushy, stirry skin, and some color to her lips, which I didn't record. And now I've switched over to GIMP, trying to color correct. I normally draw with watercolor, pencil, and ink, so if you'd like to see my traditional art, you can head over to my Instagram and follow me there. Or you can check out my DeviantArt, but I'm not that active on DeviantArt. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oops. Ouch. Stuck my toe.